Here we are in Precision Optical's industrial clean room facility for inspection and cleaning of precision optics. And you can see two professional technicians working with precision optics in the lab. And here you have a Davidson Optronics inspection box with a reflection source for optical inspection, and this is a box that's similar to that which you will build in your lab for testing and measurement of the cleanliness, the scratches, and the digs and other surface quality effects of precision optics. Paddle. And this paddle has scratch references that range from size 10 scratches all the way to size 160 scratches, and it has digs that range from size 5 to size 100, and the digs are actually centered inside the circle, and the scratches are actually lines along the width of the paddle. And if you hold your precision optic next to the paddle, you can actually do a comparison test to look for any scratches or digs on your precision optic. For instance, that mark right there may be a scratch, and you'd move it next to the scratch in order to see which size this scratch best compares to. This is the way you would use an inexpensive paddle to make this test. Alternatively, we have this professional grade scratch dig reference set from Davidson Optronics, and this set actually contains 5 different scratch and 5 different dig references. The scratch references range from size 10 all the way to size 80, and you may be able to see the size 80 scratch as compared to the small scratch on this precision optical window. And you'll note that the scratches actually are able to be tested in reflection on the left-hand side of the scratch reference, or transmission, like this precision window, on the right-hand side of this scratch reference. So this is a size 80 scratch that you see there. The dig reference sets range from a very small dig, that's size 5 here. You may need a microscope in order to see that 5 size dig, all the way up to a size 50 dig, which is centered in that circle there. And some of the small pieces of dust on this precision optic are comparable to a size 50 dig. So you have to make sure that the precision optic that you're testing is a very clean piece of glass, so you know that you're looking at actual scratches and digs in the optical surface rather than superficial dust on the surface. Okay, this is a loop that's used to qualify different size scratches from size 10 to size 80, and we're looking through the loop now. As we zoom out, you can actually see this is a loop that you can hold up to a precision optic and measure the scratches right next to the physical scratches on the optic itself. This loop is used to qualify digs from size 5 to size 50. As you can see, we're walking through each size of the dig. There's a 20. Down there is a 10. And this loop can be held up against the actual precision optic and used to measure the size of the dig in a comparison test. This is a Seabreeze coordinate measuring machine that has a microscope associated with it that we can use power of optical magnification to zoom in on a scratch. So here you can actually see a scratch precision optic, and rather than holding up a calibrated sample like we showed in the other portion of the video, we can actually make a measurement using this instrument of the width and the length of the scratch, and we can take a measurement with a calibrated reticle that's within the microscope and actually measure the length and the width using the computer software.